In order for me to assist you with Keap, you need to give me access to your portal. So what you need to do is come to the right hand side here at the top, and you can see a drop down. Go to settings, then go to settings, then go to users, and then you'll have an option to add users or add partner. Please select add partner. Then making sure that this slider is clicked to green, or admin permissions yes, and it's very important. Then click in here and type my email address, avon.collis@relevate.com.au, and then click send invitation. That will then allow me access to your system to make changes on your behalf. Thank you very much.